Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door Abhilash, and in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as you can see on the screen, my 5 days workshop is coming up on 2nd April. Though I have started this channel recently, many have approached and shown the interest in learning. Therefore, if you want to learn chart patterns, indicators, support and resistance, market psychology, then you can sign up for the workshop too in my website. The link is in the description. So we can see that after the Monday opening, okay, the right now market is trading at 1.1926. Okay, this is the current market price, and after the fall, as we all know, market is in a trend right now. Okay, market is in a range. So we can see that I have drawn two lines on the chart here. This is the resistance one, 1.1990, and this is the support, 1.1868. Okay, and right now the market is trading here almost in the middle position. Okay, there was, yes, if you have watched my previous video or yesterday's video, then you remembered correctly that I have mentioned that there was a support here, but right now after opening here, the equation is kinda dicey. Okay, so we can see that right now market is in middle position, and if we initiate a trade here, our risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, and that is something against the discipline of a trader. And as I always mention, discipline is very much essential for a trader to succeed. Okay, so we cannot compromise with the discipline at no cost. Okay, therefore what should we do then? As you all know, in a range bound market, or whenever market is in a range, we just need to wait for the market to come to us, to come to our levels. Okay, so here we need to wait for the market to either reach this point, resistance, or the support level. When market will be reaching the resistance or hit the resistance, we will just observe the price. Okay, if you see that price is struggling, okay, price is struggling, price is losing the steam, bulls are very much struggling, okay, they are finding it very hard to cross the level, then it is a clear indication that yes, sellers have joined the party and they are not allowing the market to go up. In that case, you can short the market here. Okay, short the market here if you see or spot some price rejection from above, or a good struggling signs. Okay, like a big red candle like this. Okay, or a shooting star kind of a pattern like this. And on the other hand, if you see that market crosses the level beautifully with good amount of volume and all, then wait for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, okay, and just observe the price. If you see that market is trading comfortably after 3-4 hours, and if you see that there is no sign of struggle, okay, then it will be clear to us that the resistance is the support now, and then you can go for a buy order just above this line. Okay, on the other hand, if market comes down to the support level, okay, wait for the market and just observe the price. If you see that market is showing you some sign of reversal, okay, market is about to bounce back from here, okay, then look for confirmation. Your confirmation can be in the form of a hammer kind of a pattern, a big green candle, or a bullish candle like this, or a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, just wait for the confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, just buy above this line. Okay, on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, then do not short the market right away, because okay, because let me show you, because this level, okay, hey, what happened? Wait. Uh, can see that I have drawn another line. Okay, this level 1.1833. Okay, or this level may provide some support to the market. So if market crosses this support 1, then do not short the market right away. Okay, so this is the simple analysis of Euro USD for 23rd March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. All the best. Bye bye.